This video will show how to buy shares of BrightView Holdings Inc. using a broker interface. Searching specifically for how to buy shares of BrightView Holdings Inc., BrightView provides commercial landscaping and grounds care services, and its shares trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker BVUS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires a government ID, and you must add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform's search field and enter the ticker BVUS to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the entry that shows BrightView Holdings Inc. as the issuer. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you have the correct BrightView Holdings Inc. listing. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit depending on the platform, and if you do not have sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add funds before finalizing the purchase. Once executed, your BrightView position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the reference link to eToro is in the description below.